Do you see this? You don't want to go to the tanker after this. Like, look at that. Everything's like perfect. Look, we got the wedding jhol. We got the chilies. Look at that. Hey. Boom, boom, boom. I'll just take a one cucumber. That's it. And look at this shit. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. Like this. Cheers, guys. Bro, this place, they killed it, literally. I need some onion. I'm gonna be complaining. I'm like, oh, I ate so much oily stuff, da 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 da. I know I'm gonna start complaining, but you know what? It's alright, once in a while, it's fine. Alright, here we go. Oh, she put a chilies on there, yes. Fuck yeah. Let's do this. Here we go. This with this. Bro.
This is like water. I like to fry with the oil and